To JMG Tinted Wraps. Today I'm going to show you how to install a rear spoiler. The first step that you're going to take is you're going to clean the surface. Right now this car just came in, so it has dirt on it, so we got to remove that surface dirt. Little soap and water is all you're going to need for this. Spray it down, grab a clean cloth, square it up. Now that the surface is clean from dirt, now we're going to go ahead and clay bar it. Clay barring is going to remove any of the surface contamination that's stuck on the car. We need to remove this in order to make sure that the adhesive on the spoiler sticks correctly. And I'm going to scrub just the area where I know the spoiler is going. I'm making sure my hand also touches the surface so I can feel that the surface is nice and smooth after I run the clay bar over it. Now that we got a clean surface, we need to dry the area completely. So we're going to wipe it off first. And then now I'm going to grab another rag. With this rag, what I'm going to do is put a little bit of alcohol on it. And what I'm going to do with this is pass over the same area where the spoiler is going to be. Reason why I'm passing alcohol now is I'm making sure that there's no oils that are on the surface. So I'm removing any type of oils that would be on the surface so that when we lay the adhesive, it's going to have no problem sticking. Now that the surface is prepped, we're ready to go ahead and grab the spoiler. Okay, first things first is making sure it does line up in the right location. So we're not going to put it on right now. We're just measuring to see that this is the same angles on both sides. I think this is the right position, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to put a piece of tape right here on the edge where I think it's even. Okay, now that I did that, I can remove the spoiler safely and now measure. So both these tapes are the same width, the same length. So I'm going to go ahead and measure. We got about 4 inches from the outside of the tape, just about 4 7/8 on the inside of the tape. So right now it's not even, so I have to adjust it. Now we have it right in place. It's going to be 5 inches from both sides. Now that we have the right placement, what we're going to do is we're going to peel back some of the 3M tape here. Just enough for us to pull the 3M tape in this angle. Okay? So now that we've got all the 3M tape spaced out with a little bit exposed, we're ready now to place it on the car. Now for the last step is just pressing it on and making sure that the 3M tape is sticking. And there you go. That right there is how you install a rear spoiler. Thanks for tuning in to JMG Tinted Wraps. I hope you like and subscribe and share. Have a blessed day.